have a new channel project. Honestly, it's not really going to be a project. This one's going to be kind of like a tool to help make better content. So I'm excited to bring this to you guys. I guess I might as well just open it and get straight into it. I didn't think I was going to be one of the people to own one of these, but here we are. Oh shoot, come on. First, just by that box you probably know what it is. Oops. Oh, damn, this thing is heavy. Few pieces in here. Oh. Not the best way to do it. This thing is a dinky, but I think it's gonna be so much fun. Come on, dude, you can't tell me you're not excited to see this. You can't tell me you're not excited to see this on the channel, dude, come on. I guess we just gotta get right into it. There's no wasting time. Trust me, guys, we're almost there. Oh. Nice shiny front wheel. Washer. Nut. So it looks like it's ready to go. No. It says charge 12 hours. Dude, tell me why that's snappy. Dude, tell me why that's so snappy. Come on. Let's charge this thing and hopefully we get to drive it soon. Definitely need some wider bars. And we gotta raise the rear. At least there's like a little kickstand. Here we go. The MX650 is fully charged. You can kind of rev it up as you drive it. It's not too fast either. We definitely need some more speed in this thing. This is awesome. Alright. Good, how are you? The whole goal of this thing was actually just to have a like camera vehicle when we go film some go-kart content. We'll go try out a little off-road section here. This thing's actually pretty comfy, dude. The rear shock is nice and cushy. I mean, I'm sure there's upgrades, but I think we've got to do the classic upgrade of the RSF wheels. We'll do that at some point. The guy who's helping me to support said he would give me the code for that, so super stoked on that. Woo. Let's go, baby, come on. I can see myself just cruising this all day. All day. Oh, there's a cat. He's almost faster than us. That's how slow this thing is. That's a really nice Porsche. Let's go. Let's run it. Let's run it. Come on. That's sad. I can't even be faster than a neighborhood car. None of that here. Just electric, baby. Just needs a little bit more power. Honestly, just not even power. Just like a top speed would be nice. A higher top speed, like 30. Ooh, carro. That's car in Spanish. A biker friend. I got a better bike though, baby. Come on. Oh my gosh. Dream car. Oh gosh. I want that RC. Baby. Oh, butt's getting a little sore. That's what I gotta do, is ease into the throttle. So I'm not like bop, 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 bop. Oh, oh, there's a big truck. That's a nice truck. Gotta be nice to the neighbors, you know. Gotta obey laws. Roll the stop, as always. Oh, awesome. Well, that's gonna be it for this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.